Hello, welcome to another Music Monday. We've looked at some music theory, some music history. Today I thought we'd have a look at sampling and creating your own sample instrument. So here we go, part one. No instrument, all I have done is recorded some audio of me clapping and then clicking. So this is just a microphone straight into Logic. Clicked record. I would have shown you doing it, but I needed to move the microphone to a different interface. So we don't want to record, we want to play what we've got. So claps at different levels and then some clicks as well, which haven't come through brilliantly. And you could expand this, record more sounds. And the first way of creating a sampling instrument I wanted to show you was this. So what we're going to do is we're going to get a sampler, stereo sampler, and at the moment it's just playing us a sine wave. What we want to do is use some of these. Now I could split this and find the different parts that I like and get rid of the clicks and the claps that I don't like, but what you can do is click and drag this over the sampler and you've got different places where you can drop it. So I'm still holding down the left mouse button at the moment. If you are doing non-toned instruments, we're going to use a chromatic and we're going to either use a zone per file, so that's a block of keys per file, or we can split the sound at the silence, which is exactly what I'm going to try doing. There you go. It's done it. It's put those different sound samples. You can see the sample down here. And what it's done is it started allocating at C1, that sample there. And it's picked up something there, but there isn't anything. But that's pretty cool. You know, I've got a sampler instrument that I can now play with. In fact, remember to save it, because what I would like to do over the coming weeks is improve on this one, and then we'll get into a melodic instrument sample. So give it a name, and then you will then be able to pick from the sampler instrument to load up at any time. So if I do a new file, what I will now be able to do is come in here, go to sampler and pick my synth. And I've got instant claps that are personal to me. Nobody else in the world has this sample. I can record with it. I can do the regular stuff, like put some stereo delay on it. Yeah, maybe a bit too much. Let's turn the click track off so we can just hear that. That's maybe we'll try some reverb instead. Like that. Stick it in a vocal chamber, maybe. or make myself clap in a orchestral hall. Sounds a bit odd. Probably better in some sort of room, I would have thought. Nice. What else could we do? We could change which claps are coming through. I think that's a better, quieter one. There you go. How easy was that? I love Sampler. So what I would suggest you do is go and try and do exactly that. Now, this is in Logic. I'm sure there is something very similar in another DAW that you should be able to work out. I obviously use Logic, so that's the one you're stuck with me showing it. If you think this is a good idea, please leave a comment, suggestions. Like and subscribe is always appreciated, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.